Okay, so we got parallelograms. Now, when we were working with parallelograms in third period, we were talking about the angles. And with the angles, when you have a parallelogram, right? When you have these parallels and you're cut by a transversal, remember, these angles are supplementary. So, if any angles in a parallelogram, if they're on the same side, they're supplementary. So that's something we learned today. We said same side interior angles of a parallelogram, right, are supplementary. Okay, and that means that the opposites from one corner to the other corner, right, from this corner to that corner, they're going to be congruent. Okay, so we also found that the diagonal angles of a parallelogram are congruent. Okay? So what else do we find here? Well, the other thing we know is that these sides are going to be equal. Now they might not be equal to these sides, right? But the sides opposite of each other, sides opposite, right, of a parallelogram, right, are congruent. So now we got some more rules. So with that said, that means, ooh, good catch. That means this is equal to that. 3x minus 8 equals 16. Okay? And so all I have to do is state that the sides opposite, right, definition of a parallelogram, say that the sides opposite of them are congruent. So, definition of a parallelogram. Okay? Alright, so then what? Well, plus 8. So we have 3x equals 24, right? And that's addition property of equality, right? And then division property of equality says that x is equal to 8. And that's it. That's it. Now, I was going to make you all do this problem on the board. I broke down almost crying. I laughed so hard. I still have tears coming out of my eyes because, come on, 1 plus 9 is 19. That was super hard. Okay, so we're done. That's easy, right? So 19 is equal to x plus 9. Definition of parallelograms, right? So, I hear a yay. Finally, something easy, right? Yay, they gave us one. Minus 9, minus 9. And you still got to show me that it's a subtraction property of equality, right? When you get 10 is equal to x, and you haven't had one this easy since chapter 1, right? You're welcome. Questions I should ask, just in case. That one was pretty easy, I know. They all are that easy, believe it or not. I'm not going to hit you up with anything harder.